Okay. Hello, everyone. Can you hear me? If you can see me live, kindly let me know. And let me check whether I can see myself live on LinkedIn or YouTube. So, we are live on YouTube. Okay. And I can check on LinkedIn as well. So, guys, if you can hear me loud and clear, if you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, so let me go to the page, register myself for this event. Okay, so guys, if you are live and you're watching this event, if you can just let me know, am I loud and clear? Can you hear me? Okay, so I can see live myself on the LinkedIn also. Okay, thank you so much, guys. So if you can just confirm me, am I loud and clear, so that we can start this info session on our internship program. And those who are joining us today, I would like to thank you them. And this is one of our info session where we. Oh, thank you, Rakshit, for confirming. Thank you so much, guys, for confirming. So let me give you my introduction. My name is Dr. Amit. I'm head of business operations at High Counselor, and I look into their various operations. And in this particular session, I'm going to give you a brief about our internship program. That if you're looking for an internship in the field of data domain, in the field of software, in the field of product management, in the field of sales and marketing, in the field of Salesforce, this info session can be really helpful for you. Okay, so we'll follow a very simple format for this. I'll give you a small presentation, and that will be not be taking more than 10 minutes, and then this discussion will be open for any kind of questions if you have. So feel free to ask. Okay, so let me share my screen. Once you see my screen, if you can let me know, and also if you can, before we start, if you can just let me know from which location you are dialing in, what role you are looking for, like what kind of internship you are looking for, that would be great. Okay, so I'm writing my location. If you can let me know your location as well, that would be great. And also the role which you are looking for in terms of internship. Okay, so my location I have written over here. If you can write your location as well, that would be great. And also let me know that what kind of internship you are looking for, so that uh, it would be clear to me, like that whether we have the right audience with us or not. Mhm. Okay. Okay. So let me see your comments. Okay. So Rajvi says, I'm in Boston looking for a front end, back end development internship. I guess you are at the right place. Alex is in Chicago right now looking for a software developer, right place. So I guess anybody who is looking for, and I'll explain everything in my deck also. So let me just share my screen now and explain you everything. Okay. So there we go. If you can see my deck, just let me know in the comment section. Can you able to see my screen now? And in the meanwhile, I'll check also through my mobile that whether I'm live, or am at, whether my screen is visible or not. Okay, and this will not be taking a lot of time. Okay, my screen is visible, guys. Okay, so let us start this session. I'll take just 10 minutes to explain you everything about this program, and then I'll be taking your specific queries for the same. Okay, so let's talk about this. So hi, this is the info session about our remote internship program, which can provide you an unbeatable advantage in your job search. So, what is the main problem which we are trying to solve through this program, or through this uh, new our internship program? Is a lot of entry level candidates who are recently graduated or who are already studying or looking for a job in future, they face this struggle of lack of hands on experience. So they don't have that work experience with them, and that's why a lot of employers do not consider their profile. After this, one of the reasons what they do for to complete this work experience, they start doing different kinds of online courses. They try to do different kinds of projects, which is not bad, but I believe that we have a better solution for it. So what this solution is, that you can help yourself by upskilling yourself through remote internship at global companies. So for example, if you are in US and you can land into an internship in UK, or maybe in the US only, or maybe in India, somebody is sitting and he wants to land up into an internship in USA company, or maybe a Dubai company, maybe a UK company, maybe a Canada company. So it can be possible with through our platform. So we build a platform where we help candidates to land up internship, and most of these internships are remote internships which anybody can do from any part of the world. Okay, so we try to provide them hands-on experience through the employer, so that they can work on their real-time projects, they can add that experience, they can take those referral letters from the employer, and they can show it to the future employers. And at times even your current employer hires you as well. So, how we began our journey as High Counselor? So, High Counselor is headquartered at Silicon Valley. We have already served more than 1,000 plus candidates. The companies we have in with us is around 120 plus companies with us. We are already operating in 10 plus countries. Specifically about this particular internship program, we already have candidates from more than 10 plus countries. We have open internship positions around 260 plus, and average time to land up into a remote internship is 4 to 8 weeks. What are the different roles in which we are supporting right now internship? The first is software engineering roles. So anybody who is looking for an internship in front end, back end, full stack, iOS developer or Android engineer, this can be super useful for them. Even cyber security or UI UX, we can help you in that also. Anybody who's looking for in the role of data science, data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, business intelligence, business analyst, AI/ML, we can help you in that. Anybody who's looking for product related information, that is product manager, associate product manager, product analyst, we can help you out. Anybody who's looking for in sales role, sales analyst, sales associate, sales representative, BDM, these profiles also we are helping you in finding an internship. So what is the current pricing for it? So the amount somebody has to pay to land up an internship is a one-time payment of 500 US dollars. Right now we are also offering you a promotional code of a discount of 20% with the code SAVE20. So you can use this code for the next 48 hours and enroll in the program. And this will also include the membership of our High Counselor project platform, where you can do more than 100 plus project on our platform, specifically for those who are looking for data or software. Okay, so these are some recent candidates who landed up in internship through our platform. So we have candidates who has we have companies, a lot of variety we have in companies. For example, we have companies from US, companies from UK, companies from India, companies from Dubai, and Canadian companies as well. So how do we apply? So let me show you this whole process, that how you can apply to this internship program. It's a very simple process. Go to highcounselor.com. Okay, so this is our landing page. You can see this internship on the top. Just click on internship. It will ask you to enroll now. So just click on enroll now. Okay, so since I've already logged in into my account, let me just sign out so that you can understand the whole process, because you might see a different screen. Okay, so now I'm out of my account. Just click on internship, click on enroll now. Now it will ask for a sign in. So if you are already a user of our platform, you will have your user ID and password. If you don't have it, just create one. Just click on this, create your account, and then once your account is created, then you can sign into our platform. And once you sign in and just sign in, then you can start your application. So start your application, make the payment, and you can see all the internships available on our platform. So this is all about our internship platform. So I'm open to take up all the questions now. So if you have any questions, do let me know. So the main purpose of this internship platform is to help anybody to build a real-time work experience and build them networking with employers with whom they are working. Okay, so I can see Joe says from California in marketing internship, we have a lot of internship in marketing and sales. So there is not at all a problem. In fact, we are also starting a program on ISA into marketing. So into sales and marketing. So anybody looking for job in US and they can enroll into that program as well. That's an our income sharing agreement model. But right now for internship, we do have positions. Any questions, guys? Is the process is clear how to sign up, how to enroll into the program, and the code which you have to use for the next 48 hours is save 20. Use this code. Okay, you can use this code. I'm just, yeah, you can use this code. So okay, can the internship which we get from here, which are unpaid, help us land a paid one later? From High Counselor, is the unpaid internship beneficial to get a full time job? Yes, Harsh, internships are super useful in landing up into a job. We have seen it with so many candidates. Even they have done unpaid internship, but they have done some valuable work which can be very, very helpful to land up into a job. And that's why I told you right in the beginning, right? This platform is not only about paid internship or unpaid internship. This is all about learning experience and adding that experience into your profile. How many rounds of interview would you be there when the company tied up with us, High Counselor? Generally, it's maximum 2 round. One is the resume shortlisting, another was one interview. That's it. Program management, you can definitely enroll, no problem. Columbus Ohio says front end developer, yes, you can enroll. Cybersecurity internship, definitely you can enroll, no problem at all. Even if you have zero experience, you can enroll because for internship they don't look for that much experience, but they definitely look for candidate who are having a good learning ability or adaptability. What link do I use? So you have to go to simply www.highcounselor.com/internship. Very simple. Okay, you need to go to this platform. Simple. And while enrolling, use the code save20. Raji, I've already answered your question. How many rounds? Secondly, if the guaranteed, yes. Now, this is an important question. If we don't provide your internship interview, we'll definitely refund your fees, right? But there are certain conditions to it. First, our job is to make sure that you find the right company for the interview. We have to schedule interviews for you. That is what my job is. So if you are not able to crack it, then we can help you. But in that case, refund will not be there. Okay, so make sure that but generally these interviews are not that much tough interviews. Anybody who can show us their learning ability to these companies, they can definitely hire you, and we have already seen with more than around 98-99% people landing internship. But if we are not able to arrange interviews for you, we can definitely refund your amount, no problem at all. That's why we said, and these all internships are remote internships, and we try to guarantee completely guaranteed internship. If you are not able to find it for you, we'll refund your fees. Okay, all the listed companies are unpaid. Not all are unpaid, but it could be ratio can vary. At times 70%, 70-30, 80-20. It varies from one company to other company. And even at times companies, a candidate do try to negotiate with the employer while landing or after landing into internship. What would be the duration of these internships? So generally these internships are of minimum of 2 to 3 months, at least minimum uh, 2.5, 3 months is the minimum duration we can expect, and it might go up to 6 months as well. But that is the minimum time that we that expect. 2.5 month is the minimum expectation. So Mariam, I've already given you the link. It's www.highcounselor.com/internship. Just click on this or go to our landing page highcounselor.com and click on the top. That is the internship button. Can you list the name of companies in United States? Is there any chance to get the full time from the same company? Yes, there are chance, but I cannot guarantee it, because no company till the time they have seen the work of any intern can guarantee job to anyone, right? So we can only be in a position to showcase our work first, and if we are good, we can definitely be considered for the full time position also if the company is hiring. How did you get an internship in the data analyst field? So you can enroll to our platform by going to www.highcounselor.com/internships, and then we can definitely help you finding companies which can. And very important thing, in this is more like a one-on-one kind of model in which we have a dedicated member allotted with you. Once you enroll, there is our team member called Manvi. She is a one-on-one kind type of uh, uh, she interacts with you one-on-one and help you in finding the internship. What if I enroll in April or March? Is there a chance of getting interview call? There's no harm. You can definitely enroll, but it I would say that we generally take around like 5 to 6 weeks max to find interview for you, because we take a little higher time because we need to find the right match for you also. We try to understand your needs also. So that is the reason why. So plan accordingly. Very simple. Don't give us a very short time. In that case, we'll not be help you. We'll be able to help you. Suppose we enroll and pay the necessary fees. What would be the first step? Very simple. Once you join our platform, Manvi will reach out to you. You can explain her your all your needs, what exactly role you are looking for. All those things are already there in the application. She will start finding the right company for you and schedule your interviews for your internship. What is the average pay of internship in United States? It depends upon how many numbers of hours you are working. Generally, it's hourly rate which companies pays. It could be ranging in between $15 to $30. It could be depending upon what size of the company is and whether they are paying it or not as well. Okay. Any other question, guys? I have. How did I get it? How much is the fee? I've already explained you. It's 500 US dollar, but right now you can use this code that is called save20. So that will help you getting 20% discount, and this will be valid for next 48 hours. So you can use this save20. And how many hours would you get an internship? Generally, it's 4 to 5 hours of commitment. Okay. So anybody who's doing a part-time job, they can definitely do it. Somebody who is studying, they can, if they can manage, they can do it. If somebody is transitioning their career from one domain to another domain, they can do it. If somebody is restarting his career, they can do it. So all these people, for them, internship can be super relevant. Okay. Any other question? 4 to 5 hours a day. Yes. That minimum commitment is around 4 to 5 hours a day, because when you are working as a full-time intern, or any intern with any company, that is the expectation from the company, because they are giving you a real-time project. They are not all those would be like for CPT approved. No, Rajvi, this is also very important. We don't enroll only those companies that provide OPT CPT support, right? We enroll companies around the globe. They might offer you can talk to them, but if you are only looking for that I can help you in my CPT, or it might help you stopping my OPT, I would not be suggesting you to join. Very simple. This is a learning kind of model in which our purpose is to make sure that you find the right internship where you can learn, you can add it to your experience and help you landing into a job. To whom we can connect for all this process? You don't need to connect with anyone. I've explained you everything. Just you go to highcounselor.com/internships, join the platform, and then the process will automatically run. You don't need to connect with anyone. This is the info session where I explained you. Even if you missed it, you can go back to this video on YouTube or in LinkedIn. It will be recorded and you can watch this again. Rajvi says, got you. Thank you so much. I don't want to give you false hopes. That's the reason why, because a lot of companies, they might offer you, they might not offer you. So it's better to let you know in the beginning. I've already answered this, Rakshit, the CPT one. Yes, that's what I'm saying, Harsh. Yes, you can talk to the employer. When you are going into an internship, or you feel landed into, you can definitely uh, ask them to help you in this. They do consider this. We have seen candidates who got this help, but we don't want to sell this like this. I don't want to market this product in that way, that we are only working in that CPT OPT market, right? We don't want to get into that. And it depends upon employer also. Not every employer will be doing it. So there is a chance to be rejected on internship. Yes, there is a possibility. When you are being interviewed by any company, there is always a chance. Company will always try to understand whether you will be right fit for as an intern or also. But even if you gets rejected from one company, we'll definitely offer you one, at least three companies. We definitely offer three companies to each candidate, even if they are not able to land crack in the first one or even in the second one. If there is an interview process, definitely there is a chance of getting rejected, because if we have this choice, employer has also a choice. Internship, then what we pay? You don't need to pay anything, Joe. So it's only one time payment you have to pay. Once you land into internship, you don't need to pay anything. You just need to pay once. Suppose if we don't have any projects on our portfolio, then how can High Counselor help us? You can use our portfolio project platform, and they can build projects, as many projects as possible. We have more than 100 projects over there. Okay. Any other question, guys? So at max, you can give three companies. That is not the max, I would say. I would say three companies are more than enough to till date. Three companies are more than enough to find anyone land into an internship. Mostly first or second company, they people land into an internship. That is not a problem. But generally, we 3 to 5 is what a max we can offer, because if somebody is not taking it seriously, and they're not ghosting employers, is not the right thing, right? So that is also a lot of candidates, they're non-serious. They paid the money, but they're not serious about employer. They're not even like, while in the interview time, they're not serious about it. So that means they're not at all. And then in that case, uh, if we expect a positive response from an employer, so we can also expect a negative response for it, for any candidate. We need to understand this. We need to be professional in our approach. Internship program is directly tied up with the company, or we will have under the council. No, high council has nothing to do with it. Directly under the company. Very simple. High counselor is more like a platform which helps you finding employer find the candidate, and candidate find the employer. Okay, Shram, I answered your question. Any other question, guys? Okay, so I guess I have answered all your questions. I don't see. Can High Counselor help us in finding interview prep? We only help in interview preparation in through our ISA program. We do provide you a resume builder, which helps you in building your resume and your LinkedIn. You can definitely look into that, and Manvi can help you in that whole purpose in the internship part. But if your interview preparation is only part of our ISA program, so there we help candidate if somebody is eligible to work in US, and they can join that program, the ISA one, where we provide all behavioral interview, technical interview, everything. Okay. Raj, we do provide you some resources to prepare anything, but if you're expecting something like, generally look, it's very simple. That it's a very simple process for internship, right? Where we match your profile with an employer schedule an interview with you, you go for the interview. Once you qualify it, you lands up into an internship. So I believe there is nothing as called premium services or something. It's just a simple service, nothing else. We do share some of the resources to prepare, as well as we do share the resume builder tool that can help you. uh, Tenjin, if you are in the middle of the boot camp, if you have time, that only consider for internship. Otherwise, that will also like that will be like effective work life balance also. This is not a job offer, Rakshit. You're not understanding. This is an internship platform. So what I'm saying is, if you don't get after 3 interviews, that means you are lacking somewhere, and you need to prepare accordingly for that. High counselor has done his job. We our main job is to give you interviews. That is our main job, right? So we have done our part. Okay, we can definitely take feedback from the employer and let you know what they supposed to, what why they have rejected you. That we do, because we do take feedback from employer as well as candidate about the employers. Okay. Okay, guys, thank you so much for joining in this session. I hope I answered all your queries. You can use the code SAVE20. It's already on the screen, and I'll see you there if you find it this platform as a right fit for you. If you're looking for an internship in all those following domains which I explained, this can be super useful for you. And I also give you one reason that a lot of employers, even though if they don't have jobs with them, they do write you a recommendation letter. We have seen with a lot of companies, they have written a very good, I still remember one of the companies given a letter called as golden data scientist for some of the candidates, that these candidates are really good. And they have written them LinkedIn post also through their own post that will help them to reach out to a lot of employers. um, are those companies are mid-sized companies or startup or something? It can be any, it can be startups also, it can be mid-size also, it can be an MNC also, depending upon which is of whom is offering internship, and whether they are offering in the same domain or not. So we consider all of them, because even we have seen startup companies offering some really great internship to candidates. Okay, bye bye for now. We'll be meeting in the next session. Thank you.